Alright, busian for menchacho bibia na mensa mo bibia kwa ba mfambra ayeka TV. Busian for eye Ato Forson sensem no sese de ayeka sepa yenkopie mu eye court kese Supreme Court a busian for na Ato Forson case na ma ye tima akonyi eye amanfo bibia cheso maboga na kro no achese enya asem keto na Richard Japa na amanfo ka che ne se obeya ono empacho na court etwi na asenim twintwen achese busian for enya asem keto akwa na nsem no sisi amene ka say di aye bibia aye buja achese enye asem keto nti gibre ni nkuti nsem mu nchemu ha ya aye katibia aye di update any trending news nkwa na edus me viewers must also be subscribe to my channel be like na do adwinche so go comment section kama
Dr. Ato Forson, the minority leader, and Mr. Jakpa goes on to say in the affidavit certain comments that the Attorney General made in those interactions that border on clear professional misconduct, prosecutorial misconduct, and criminal conduct on the part of no less a person than the Attorney General.
Yes, Sammy Jenfi, na just semno womo any anye ba kumienu bi eho. Nemo said the wakano, womedia semno chia. Na said them di kan no. Sammy Jenfi science ni pibio. Was a woman who say abayin pese wobetu asem no ase kura ama Attorney General ne tro adaho na ya kire no kura a prosecute no ewo ho. Nenso no ogidie was say abayin anye kura no a kwan bia so NDC beba na NDC ba won be investigate Attorney General we kwan a wo fa so ye na dwen se obi a wonye bone bia wode bone kekire no na wokukuru no kwatwira ban kukumu no wo ma investigation na wo mama sobo no abono
Determined by the judge, but at least Ghanaians are discerning. There is a public officer paid with our taxes, and serious averments have been made in courts, not in the media, against him. He's been quick to deny them in the media. His spokesperson, Wilberforce. You understand? And the Deputy Attorney General have issued statements and granted interviews defending him. Now we come to court, you expect this Attorney General to swear an affidavit, to dispute these things, to provide counter evidence. And the man is fleeing from accountability. He can't defend himself. He wants somebody to do that for him. Well, we wait to see what the court's decision will be on all these matters, which I believe will be assessed by the court in arriving at the decision. What I can tell you, though, is that irrespective of what the decision of the court is in this matter, we as a political party, and of course all well-meaning Ghanaians, will join us to demand accountability from the Attorney General, because he is first of all a public officer occupying a very important role. Our prosecutorial powers as a country have been vested in him. He is paid with our taxpayers' money. He is supposed to do fairness and justice to all manner of persons.
Sammy Jenfi and Wakasa Edema NDC Amanyo Kuno ene ena otieno.
Kofi Facebook Justice Afua Serwaa misa say brown or shirt white or jeans blue no. The decision na decision akwa to take ono ne de ne say me hu no minim so no hu no wahi o em say court omoko bakoban ba ko bi wo mu a o se shirt white jeans blue no be so hu so no court no Rulia, dear no way you
obey me amicus curia, friend of the court, one in Nam court anymore.
Just what's what does maybe I say,
me young woman, me who nan can be met me and or she
also a white shirt and a jeans blue.
Send the correct combination, and now she and Papa bench.
Meaning Papa, they were coming de. To no pursue who said you all coba no pursue who said, or yet day you were called to. Ye bua sem na because said the oil na so busy ye bua say one here no
there why be sign to no another here
ye dey na chi hwe nye the white black and white shoe another here the obey
be about the ahwase no to
dan gongo no the wasi dan gongo no o cheche no coolly high no ona no obisa ne se ono na adwuma ne sen
as why busy chen
as de okoba dodo uso okohwe ha no aba ha no otenetene nsa ne nkrofo kasa nti no obese ohun se judgment ni mu no no ye da ewu
mas ye wo ade bi e fe ne abacus nti oba na okosa onne no na mu
and your Facebook for so kasawa hapa for the Attorney General in the conversation.
If we assist who
and we are in the era of recording.
I said idiot
na bana de ani bibia ye it was watch them the entia or recording no or say eya ne yasa innocent person obi onim asem ohwe na watena sia bo tiri mu frɛ obi a onka asem no abewuram by force e de asomne gon e be so ne kon aka se onko ka asem asemasi se de be ya obi onim no ne ho nkyere ne de da bida enti ene obe record no de abekire court na de adanse se asem na Attorney General kan no kureko ebi nyinam eye bosrem ka ho enframanko a ene nyasem getwa na ensem odi tu dwa no ye be hwa ayi 28 May NDC amanyoko ne ye ntentwofo nhia mu bi ma Yewra Johnson asi edunketia e kasaye na ono kura ne kasaye mu no odi tu dwa ka se asa de eduru ba bi no asa ne ye kochi jakpa se kasei ase fafa ha yesei ase adanse na wudie no ase ye kire no de ono ankoka onka ne ade wo se no kra so ono oni hobi wo hu tape bi akra eno nko an evidence na kire se de bibi wom bibi kakra wom wo hu enti wo se nyame anim ne on de wo hwe pa sa adanse krumu a wo kodie e de ama obi a wonni efo ame ade na to mu de da bi onye sada yenti ensem o de atu dwa ne nkyiremu kakra ne bi.
The position that tape you put out is a doctored tape.
Well, they are claiming it's a doctored tape. I didn't say that. So they should be original. You should tell the original to court.
But why did you record the Attorney General?
Well, that is not for you.
He says you've been disingenuous.
But that's what he claims.
It was a private.
Prosecuting innocent people who is disingenuous.
It was a private conversation, and now you put it out.
You claim it's a private conversation.
That's what he says.
Well, where private conversation, when it's a conversation that leads to committing crimes, it can no longer be private. It becomes a crime against the state. So it can no longer be private. So that private claim is neither here nor there.
The bottom line is you didn't tender that in evidence.
I'm not a lawyer. My lawyer knows his strategy. And he understands the court processes more than I do. So he's doing what is required by him. He has got his own strategy. And I cannot dictate to him his strategy.
So at the end of the day, you expect that you're going to walk?
Well, there must be justice. And I'm just looking for justice.
So justice, anything other than free, will be injustice.
I cannot decide that I'm working free. It is her ladyship who decides upon the evidence I used before her. The evidence will lead to that. And I know she's going to hold fidelity to the law. And that's what is expected of her. And that's exactly what I know she'll be doing. So I don't have any issue at all.
Are you looking forward to?
I don't know, and some equity, and somewhere air cost so away a court to Casimu, and no man for just say, and somewhere air cost way, and yen somewhere yen simbi akekenum, or mino and any pebby airborne mocrono, and I say airborne mino, a chrono, a banasana, taxes your most so degree as soon as soon as the sons of minus cano, a quack with dincrophobia, airbotum, and no, and then penifui air trauma, just say, Yero Japano, a bear, one surrender said we can I surrender, or one surrender na and the court and so who do obey at the Afa or near Ato Forson or Monsen somewhere costly. As I say, Brano Quan equa baba to a ban now on Pennyforna and the campaign on Benomufras and Yanepreco. Over so no we subscribe at the Amami Higher Rajab Media, Bedin Eddie or Truman Command and go from Santiago de Macro.